Hey guys, what's up? So I'm going to do a quick little tour of the new Bus 3. So this is one of the 8 2019 Saf-T-Liner C2s we currently have in the fleet. These were our first C2s, so the first batch, no underbody storage, full LED with the exception of the fender mounted signals. These also have little secondary warning lights on the back and up front in the grille. So we've had these buses for going on 3 years now. Well, it'll be 3 years the start of next school year. So they do have chains. Let's see. It's been inspected 3. So this bus replaced a 1998 Bluebird International 3800 that we had purchased used around 2007 or maybe 2008. I don't remember the exact year. Honestly, I was kind of surprised they retired that bus, but it is what it is. So on here, you can see it's pretty much like the 2021s, blue seats. The 2019 C2s have child seats built in the first like 2 to 3 seats. I think the 2021s might have them too. I don't know, I have to look. These also have the older style cameras. But as you can see, they do have the child seats. There's the inside park and brake, all that fun stuff. The instrument panel. I do have a video demonstrating how the warning lights look. I will card it in at some point. So these were built in, well, that's funny because these were built in the same month as our 2021s, just a different year. Got Lebanon City Schools there. So, got your PMAs down there. Yeah, I mean, that's 3. I'm gonna get off here real quick. So, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this, tour of the new Bus 3. Let me know what you think. And, thanks for watching. Bye.